Okay, quick video on how to take the rear shock off of a T7 without having to remove the wheel or anything else. You take off your side covers first. There's 3 10mm screws. One side, same thing on the right. Pop that off. And next, you want to take your mudguard off, which is also held on by 2 10mm screws up here. Lift that out. And on the bottom, you're going to need 2 sockets, a 14mm and a 17mm. Just pop that off. Up top, there's a 17mm nut over the other side here. You're going to pull that off, it's right down in there. And the other side's captured. So once the nut's off, you just push the bolt through. And once that's done, you reach in, turn it to the right to get your adjuster out of the way, and the shock comes off just like that. Pretty easy.